If TikTok is not responding on an Android device, start by closing the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen or use the app switcher to find TikTok and swipe it away to force close it. Then reopen the app to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause TikTok to freeze or crash. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or restart your router. You can also try running a speed test to ensure your connection is strong enough. Next, clear TikTok cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management. Find TikTok in the list and tap on it. Then storage, then tap on clear cache. This will not delete your app data but will remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can often resolve app performance issues. Make sure TikTok is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and check if an update is available. If there is, install it and try using the app again. If TikTok is still not responding, check your device storage. Low storage can affect app performance. Free up space by deleting unused apps, clearing downloads, or moving files to a cloud service or SD card. Finally, if none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall TikTok from the Google Play Store. This gives you a fresh copy of the app and can fix any issues related to corrupted files. If TikTok continues to have issues, it might be worth contacting TikTok support or checking if other users are experiencing similar problems to roll out server related issues.